Good morning everyone. Today we are delving into the fascinating world of molecular visualization with Pymol, a powerful tool used to explore and analyze molecular structures. In this video, we will take a deep dive into Pymol, showcasing its features and how it brings complex molecules to life. Pymol is a versatile software used by scientists, researchers, and students to visualize and analyze molecular structures. Its user-friendly interface allows us to manipulate and study complex molecules in 3D. Here, I have loaded a molecular structure file. Pymol enables us to rotate, zoom, and dissect these structures, providing a dynamic view from any angle. One of Pymol's incredible features is its ability to color code and label different components of a molecule. This helps in understanding the composition and interaction within the structure. Moreover, Pymol allows us to simulate molecular dynamics, showcasing how proteins or molecules move and interact over time. This feature is invaluable in studying biological processes. From structural biology to drug discovery, Pymol serves a vital tool in various scientific fields. It aids in understanding protein structures, designing drugs, and much more. In conclusion, Pymol empowers scientists and researchers to visualize and comprehend the intricate world of molecules, unveiling insights that drive groundbreaking discoveries. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or simply curious about the molecular universe, Pymol opens doors to a realm of possibilities. If you like the video, please hit subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.